Friends, here we are showing a panel how to make the connection. This is a real-time timer. You can see this currently the time is 16:32. I'll come to this timer again. So, but before that, let us see what is there inside the panel. So, if you see this inside the panel, we have 230-volt supply that we need to give on this here. So, these are the two. This is the place where the 230-volt supply is given. Then this is coming to an MCB used as a protection. We have the circuit which is coming to the timer. We'll see the front side again later on. And then you see here the output is here. So this is going to EHV, Petlite EHV M2T. I will just show you. I've just opened the EHV. So this is the EHV model. I've just opened the casing. So this is the model. You can see that. So it is EHV M2TE, which is a terminal type. So what you need to do is that the terminal number 1 and 2, you can see here terminal number 1 and 2, this will go to the power terminal which is here. You can see this two, it will go on this two, line and neutral, correct. And then you have another two terminals which is for the control, and that is where the buzzer or the alarm will play. So the 5 and 6, that will go to the control wiring. So you can use any of the 8 channel. So the terminal number 5, you can connect it to the common. You can see the common is here. You can connect it to the common here, and then the another one you can connect to channel. Here we have given example as channel 1, so you can connect it here as channel 1, right? So it will play. Now let us let us help you to understand the function of this particular unit. So this is the timer here. I will just help you to make some settings so that you can really understand how to do these settings. Now when you press the first time, this is a set button here. When you press the set button here, so it is showing you the real time setting, that is a time. Currently the time is 16:34. So we are not changing that, but if you, for example, if you want to change it, so you can change it. You can make it like, no, you can change the timing here with the help of up arrow key. So you can change it. I'll bring it back to 34, right? And you can just set it here. So this is the timer set, that is the clock time setting we have done. Now let us go into the various alarms that we want, and let us create the setting for that. You have to press this set key long for more than 2 seconds. So when you press this long, you can just see this is showing you shift start time. So 9 o'clock is our shift time start time, and if you want to change it, you can just use this arrow key to change it, or and you can use this up down key to change the, your desired value is 9, so we'll bring it back to 9, and we press enter here. Now this is the time which is showing of the shift end, that is again 15:30. So you can change it if you require, but we have set it here as per the requirement. If you want, you can change it here, but we are bringing it back to 17:30, right? So we'll make it here. Then comes is the first tea break. So tea break 1 start time, the desired time is 10:15. So let us make a change here. So we'll make it here, okay. And now we press the set button. Then comes the first time, that is tea time end, that is 2:25, 10:25. So we will just make it again here, and this is 10:25. So we'll press it here. So this is 2 times have been set, that is start, tea time 1 start, tea time 1 end. Now comes the lunch time start. So you can see that lunch time we want 12:15. So we'll use this key, and we can press the set button. So this has happened. Similarly, now comes the lunchtime end. So that is where we want it to 45. So we'll set it here 45. So now you can just see this is 45, and we have pressed here. Then comes the tea time 2 and tea time 2, that we want it at 3 o'clock, 3 p.m. So it is 1500 hours. So we will just set that again. So we will press it here again. So this is set. And similarly time 2, tea time 2 end, that we want it as 1510. So here we will just change it. So we will press it here. You can change this time as you want. So this is here. Now this is the time which is the buzzer will remain on for what time, whenever that particular time will come. So how long will it play? So this is in seconds. You wanted 10 seconds, so we will change this to 10 seconds, right? And you can press the enter. Now it is in run mode. Of course we'll have to wait till we actually wait for the timing. But let me now press set again. I'm giving a long press of set. Let us verify our timing. So this is 9, then this is end time is 15:30. Then we have a tea break 1 is at 10:15, which is a start. Then tea break 1 which will end at 10:25. Lunch start is 12:15, lunch end is 12:45. Then we have another second tea which is at 3 o'clock, which is 1500 hours, and that is the start time. And then tea to end time is 15:10, and we have set our time for this as a 10 seconds. So whenever the next time will come, at that time it will run. The buzzer will also show here as an indication when it is turning on. And when you have made the connection here with the particular one, this will turn on, this will short, this two wires, this is the output which will short and which will play to the EHS, and this is the supply which will also come directly. So you did not give external supply, it is already there. You have to just connect the terminal, so you have to just connect the wiring here. That's it. I hope we are able to explain this correctly. If you want any further details, you can anytime contact us, and thank you very much.